Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show news and weather widgets on taskbar in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show news and weather widgets on taskbar in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down, click on Taskbar here, and under Taskbar item, you will find widgets, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And look, the news and weather widget is showing on my Windows 11 computer's taskbar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.